shit.
Oh God! So we were going to have a nice intro, but then this dipshit decided to do whatever she
It
wanted.
fell on its own.
So we're doing a segment of cooking with Maddie. Well, you know.
You freaking went. If you saw, she went.
So we're gonna do cooking with Maddie.
Oh my God.
This is gonna be good.
Fucking YouTube.
YouTube can go. Suck it.
I hate you.
I hate me too.
I hate myself. I hate everything that has to do with my entire being. And that's the thesis. I hate myself. I'm slowly becoming James Charles, minus the beautiful part.
Same. Well, I mean, I'm already Mr. Shane.
Do the face. Okay, that's enough of you flaunting.
Ow!
You sound like you moaned. Are you okay?
Breathing problems.
Oh.
You don't need the ramen, just throw the bag and then throw it in the microwave.
Wait, satisfying. Listen, come closer. Yeah. You're just in the background whispering. Yeah, fucking ASMR. Yes. I hate you.
The box is sliding.
That's not a box. It's a crate. My cats need comfort.
So you put them in a crate?
Yes, my mom did. It's not me. Dude. Oh
And that's
God.
cooking with.
If Jacob ever finds this.
Like, I don't think he likes me to begin with, but like.
He doesn't. Well. Never mind. I mean, I don't think Hunter likes me, and we all know how that's going. But somehow I got a boy to like me, and somehow he asked me out, and somehow we've been dating for over 2 months. Don't know how.
Somehow I punched my crush in the head today, so that was fun.
I need to put more freaking water.
Get that nice bowl of watery.
Get it nice and wet, nice and moist. Ew, that word is disgusting. Why are you having like a 360 angle?
Because it's fun! And it's easy because I can just rest it right here. Oh, fudge me.
Do you want to show me?
Yes, I do! It's about time you asked! Oh, thanks. I love you too. Tequila, tequila. That's margarita. My mom got alcohol and she let me have like a drink of it.
Dude, all I have to say is whiskey is disgusting.
Okay, first of all, Bailey's Irish Cream is not as good as it is when it's in coffee creamer.
What?
There's this thing called Bailey's Irish Cream, and it's a drink. And basically, my mom bought it for. Well, I technically bought it. I had $20 from Christmas. Hello, that's a nice angle.
Why don't you?
Because I'm too lazy to put it anywhere. Ew.
I was putting the thing down.
That doesn't help. Let's just do that. Yes, there we go. They got that nice double chin area.
I'm short, so I fit.
Let me be. What is that hair doing? Gleek, gleek.
Cook faster, huh? It's
Gleek.
at 2 minutes and 54 seconds.
Gleek, gleek. Pop it, lock it, and shove it.
Polka dot it. Country line. From the left, side to side.
Run to the left, stick it. Yeah, I used to know that whole dance.
You know what? Oh, we have to learn the Jesse Lee Carter Marcus Rashford thing. Okay. We're going to learn our favorite soccer players' handshakes because we're basic.
My fucking father's.
To our dads.
I'm sorry, cats, if you are here.
And yes, I still have Christmas decorations up, even though it's January 4th. It's Anna's birthday. Happy birthday, Anna. That's our friend from school. Okay. Find a way.
Fuck? That's my best friend.
I need to turn on the Xbox.
Didn't turn on yet.
I'm trying.
I like because we're filming this on a phone. Ew.
I didn't close the door. Shit, we're gonna get fucked.
So, okay. So basically we're filming on a phone, which means we can't turn it around like the camera. So we have to like actually like use our hands and like turn it.
Wait. Turn around. Vlog. Ooh.
Yes.
This guys.
Shirtless man's.
He looks like Eric Dyer. Ew.
I was gonna say he looks like Jay.
Oh my god. Jay Swingler.
FIFA 19's out already.
I have it.
Do you?
Yeah. Marcus Rashford actually looks like himself. Like Jesse looks like himself. Usually they don't look like themselves
Oh,
because.
fucking Daddy was right there. Sorry.
Which one?
Bebo.
Ah.
I love the superfruit one.
Yeah. Jade and I were quitting it. Handshake. It's right there. No!
Ooh, it's
I can't type. Handshake. It's this one.
Okay, boys. This is like. What the fuck is Jesse wearing?
He looks like he has spandex on. Or should we learn? No, we should learn because they're our dads.
Morning, Woody. You okay?
It's that one I want to learn. Wait a minute. I need to find a better video of it. My ramen!
Let's pin it and send it, my guy.
Let's send it, my guy. Why is there freaking fish? Ew.
What?
My mom made fish last night and I wanted nothing to do with it.
Oh. I just made the most weird noise with my mouth when I was drinking. Got that nice ASMR tip tapping.
I forgot to put water in the ramen, so it completely burned. And it didn't help that it was at 2 a.m. and my mom was like, what the fuck are you doing? Ow. It's hot.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
What are you doing?
I'm weirding your dog out.
That's what good pussy sounds like. I hate myself. Wait, come here. You need this premium content. Okay. That's what good pussy sounds like. But I wouldn't know because I like penis.
I'm gonna slowly walk away now. I did not need to hear this conversation. Not now.
Conversation.
That's funny.
Freaking.
That's so much sauce. I mean,
Bring in the sauce.
your girl, no. I got the sauce.
What was that dance?
That was my wiggle wabble. I jibble jabble.
I am the globe globe gab.
No!
Shabba dabba wabba got a flitter blah blah blah. I'm full of shrimply liver kind. I am the yeast of thoughts and mine. Shabba dabba. Sad that I know this. Da 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 da. Shabba shab dab. It says dab. Fucking cringe. Go away. Put it. No. It's just a boob shot.
I wasn't.
Everyone enjoys that.
No, no.
H would.
H don't like me. cooked ramen, what happened at my house?
Yeah.
Yeah, my mom didn't care that I fucking burnt my hand off, basically. Yeah, that hurt.
Yeah, it's hot, so I didn't want to touch it.
I'm hot too. No, I'm just kidding.
I am probably one of the ugliest people you could ever meet.
No, so
okay,
I am.
let's end this one and then do another one with just the hair shake. Bye, hoes. I love you all.